I'm Anthony Jenkins. I've been with Finnicum Motor Company 16 years. I'm the head detailer. I'm the manager of all 3 locations. I went to Lee County High School. I graduated in 2003. After I graduated, I moved to Albany, and I've been in Albany since then. I was working at Stardust Car Wash. We were detailing some of Finnicum vehicles, and I did really good on the inside of the vehicle, and they wondered, like, man, who did the inside of this car? One of the salesmen got me in contact with the owner, Daryl Finnicum. He took a chance with me, and ever since then, I've been with him. I got my own side detailing business also. I did an airplane, boat, the RVs, you name it, I'll do it. Grew up with a big family. It was 9 of us, 7 boys, 2 girls. I'm the baby of the whole 9. We've always been a big family. We always got together, do family trips. I actually just lost one of my brothers about a year ago. The whole Finnicum team, they backed me up. I had a family outside of my family. He's part of my motivation that keeps me going and keep me want to stay focused on doing what I do. It's my passion. It's the way that I can take a vehicle that looks terrible and turn it into something that's worth selling or something that somebody can be proud of. Seeing the accomplishment from where we done grown from the past 16 years, from a small dealership to one of the well-known, most used car dealerships around, and just the brotherhood and the familyhood of the whole detail team and the whole company is very satisfying, and this is a passion for me.